What is PCP? Dog wants shiny new kennel on wheels. Shiny kennel costs 30,000 bones. Dog does not have 30,000 bones. Dog only has 3,000 bones. Normally, dog must wait. Dog must save bones for many years. But Dealer Cat has a deal. Dealer Cat says, "Give me 3,000 bones now, and you can drive shiny kennel today." Dog is excited. Dog is wagging tail. But Dealer Cat is clever. How does PCP work? It has 3 parts. Part 1, the deposit. Dog gives 3,000 bones. These bones are gone forever. Goodbye, bones. Part 2, the monthly payments. This is where it gets sneaky. Dealer Cat looks at shiny kennel. He thinks, residual value. Dealer Cat takes total price, 30,000, minus, leaves 12,000 bones, plus interest, the extra marrow Dealer Cat takes for being helpful. Dog pays 400 bones every month. Dog is happy. Dog looks cool in the park. Other dogs think, wow, look at that hound. But dog is actually poor. Dog is spending all his kibble money. But wait, there is a catch. There is always a catch. In a PCP deal, you must follow the rules. The mileage limit. If dog drives more than 10,000 miles, dog must pay more bones. Every extra mile costs a sliver of bone. If dog bites the steering wheel, dog pays even more bones. Now, the big day arrives. 3 years are up. Part 3, the balloon. The balloon is a giant pile of bones. 15,000 bones. Choice 1, the handback. Dog gives the keys to Dealer Cat. Dog walks home. Dog has no kennel. Dog has no bones. Dog is sad. Choice 2, the trade-in. 2,000 bones of equity. Dog uses these 2,000 bones. The loop starts again. Dog is stuck in a loop forever. Dog is a hamster on a wheel. Choice 3, the big bone. Dog pays the 15,000 bones in one go. But most dogs do not have 15,000 bones, so they take out another loan. Is PCP bad? Not always. Small monthly payments, PCP is okay. But dog never truly owns the kennel until the very end. Remember, the shiny kennel loses value faster than a dropped sausage.